Hi, I'm Charlie from LNC. Today I'm going to show you how to install a wall sconce from LNC. Okay, first you want to make sure all electricity is turned off. This is what's inside the package. These are our two screws you'll hang the light fixture on. You want to loosen the nuts to adjust later. You want to pull your wires through the hanging plate and then take these two screws so you can take the hanging plate and mount it to the electrical box. You can either use a screwdriver or screw gun to tighten the hanging plate to the electrical box. You want to make sure your two screws are level with one another. Then you want to take your solid ground copper line and attach it to the green ground wire using a wire nut. Take your white wire and attach it to the other white wire using a wire nut. Now we'll take the two black ones and attach them to one another, also using a wire nut. Now we're going to take our excess wires and push them back into the electrical box. Then we'll unscrew the green screw and wrap our solid copper ground line around it and tighten it back up. Now take your light fixture and hang it, and then adjust your two hanging screws to the right length. Pull the light fixture back off and then tighten the bolts so your screws don't loosen later. Now we're ready to hang the fixture itself, using the two small round decorative screws. Okay, now we'll want to remove the black ring from the light socket and take your shade and place to the light fixture. And use your black ring to tighten the shade back onto the light fixture. And now we're ready for the light bulb. And screw it in like so. And don't forget to turn your power back on. Once you do that, you can flip the switch. And this is how your light fixture should appear when you're finished.